Hi guys, I have to wait for the ISO to build, and there is this Neon KDE.org that is out quite recently, and I always keep telling guys, use Linux, whatever, right? Ubuntu, NixOS, as long as Linux, and arcoplasma, and this plasma is just still Linux. So learn from anywhere. Get the idea, how does Plasma work, what application does Plasma have, etc. And then voila, have fun with a free operating system. So here is the information. Where shall we download? Download now, live images. There's a testing edition, which might be something for me maybe, right? There's an unstable edition, might be the same thing, but who wants a Calamares that sometimes breaks? So I've done this before, and these ISOs are being built online, let's say, right? And the Calamares sometimes breaks because of the fact that it depends on other things, and those are not installed. So I'm not gonna waste time. I'm gonna go for the user edition, and hopefully that one is just working just fine. Voila, Neon user. Let's pause a little bit. All right, it's in. Now, I don't know where I read it, but thought it was based on Ubuntu, but might be wrong. I think it was on DistroWatch, but you know, I don't know. We'll check it out. We'll see. No reference to Ubuntu anyway on this page. Doesn't matter, it's Linux. And then we go for a template, we clone, we say that's Neon. Voila. Put it in there and have a look. Downloads, Neon user, start, make it bigger, press E and have a look. So Casper VM Linux, looks like it's Ubuntu after all. Casper, and then save graphics, E, Armor 0, quiet splash, no mode set, remember the letters, no mode set, do not set a mode. And then here as well, VM, and again, no mode set, and brute from next volume. Alright, go. That's good. Press any key to continue. Okay. What a start. KDE Neon. Might be different than real metal, right? This is VirtualBox. Point to the video. I hope I can convince you that Plasma is Plasma anywhere. So if you learn Plasma on Manjaro or NixOS or right, there's a big world out there, lots of choices. So let's choose KDE Neon Plasma. Oh yeah, we're waiting for nothing. Probably, not sure, but I don't want to test it. So power off. Make sure in VirtualBox that you go for display enable 3D, okay, and try it again. If they are going by default to Wayland, and they might, then we need to tell VirtualBox, hey, Wayland is coming. That's faster, right? So install system, welcome, simple, etc, etc, etc. Voila, and then we install the system. We can make this a little bit better for recording wise. Make the size the normal size, which is this one, apply, and then we keep this thing and we do this, and we'll make this a little bit bigger. You may or may not notice that this is right Calamares. And choices we do not get, right? X4 FAT32 swap. It's fixed. That's it. Next. And log in automatically, why not, or not. And now we see how beautiful SDM is in this distro. He's coming up again. No, or is it timing? It's a different one, right? It's just put a timer on it. So here we have the rest. This always interests me. How do other users, other distro builders, use Calamares, which is basically a well, you can compare it with a Swiss Army knife, right? It can do anything. And we have here the OM config, OM prepare, the desktop, the big screen, the mobile. No clue what it all is, but here we have the settings. And we have all kind of things in here. No mode sets, shell processes that they start. And you just read it. All right. And the modules, just the one. And there's a script somewhere that's gonna go for Plasma big screen SDM config, whatever that does. Desktop, that this thing, no, probably not. Desktop is that. So there are a few shell process: boot deploy, boot reconfigure, crypt setup, boot before bootloader, after the bootloader, no mode set. It's right. It's up to the distro builder to use it however. There's a change modus here for boot from Linux here. Yeah. Apt-get update. Now really short with Ubuntu. Here's the grub install. It's called Neon, the bootloader with a boot EFI. We're gonna update, I think. Apt-get update. Is he updating now? I'm not sure. And then remove, purging, how to remove. And there's some kind of helper here. So a lot of things you can investigate. Why do they do things? What is this script doing? Reserve timestamps on the CD-ROM. Different system, right? Completely different system. So all kind of things that are different than Arch. He's gonna purge ButterFS and GFS and RiserFS and XFS because there's only X4. All right. Now the last video I've made, let's look at the channel. If you open up the channel, which is here, YouTube, your channel. And the last video I've made, was it really the last video? No, one before that, 4093. I installed a theme, a Plasma rising video. That's what it was. Telling you guys, it's up to you, the user, to rise your system, right? The rest is up to you. We give you, well, what you need, what we think you need, and then you remove all the things you don't need and get all the things in that you do need. But finally, right, the theming, this is, you couldn't say from this window this could be arcoplasma, right? But it isn't. So display monitor, and that's the point of the video, guys. This could be arcoplasma, but it isn't. So there you go. We have this. Let's go this and then back. That's easier. And you see immediately these quick settings, more appearance settings. And in the video, I went to get new, and it was called OTTO, and I clicked on a button, and I waited for the button to do its thing, and we'll have as well the same look as in the video 492. I think I took this one, apply, and there we go. We have the same plasma, right? More or less. Let's see. Development, Kate is here, Ocular is here, Internet Firefox is here, VLC is already here, Ocular, system settings, console, yep, Kwrite is here. So choices, right? Some of the applications that they like is here, and we have a nice icon theme here. And there we go. We have ourselves a system that works. And all you need to figure out now again is, how do we update in this thing, right? Control T. So update is not gonna work, right? Z update from the utilities. And lots of things. I think we better do sudo apt install or update, stuff like that. Let's do update first. Let's see. With update, upgrade, update, jammy, okay, and then upgrade. There is something key stored in legacy, trusted, and so on. Okay, I need to look it up what that is. What did I type? Sudo apt upgrade. You dist upgrade or full upgrade in place of the upgrade command. Okay, sure, dist upgrade. Nothing to do. Newly installed, 0 to remove. So basically, what Calamares did was actually update everything, right? Nothing is not available. So sudo apt install fast fetch, for example. That's new that we had, doesn't exist. Yay! Neofetch. That works. Control T. I'm ready to press Neofetch. Okay. So now it's up to you. What packages do I desire? What packages do I need to, well, get the system that I like, right? So what packages are available? I don't know if we can do something like Wiki Neon. Probably might be something available to learn. Linux Wiki, Neon Wiki, I don't know, something. Here we have a link. Where was it? This one. I suppose we could start here and have a look. Where can we find information? KDE Slimbook, download KDE FAQ. Latest Ubuntu LTS, that's clear now. Is this the KDE distro? Okay, one of many. The latest and the greatest KDE software as quickly as possible. NVIDIA cards offering, always the same, right? How can we get an NVIDIA to work on Linux? And you just keep on reading. There's something new here I haven't seen. If you prefer to use PK, PKCon. Okay, let's try that. PKCon update. And then PK, what else? What if we type this? Aha. Right, you have to learn everything from scratch. This is me being a noob, having no clue what this is. Aha, it's package console program. That we can remember. Package console program. Backend details, get groups, get time, install packages. I'd like to install Spotify. That's the first thing that comes to mind. Package con and then Spotify. Does that work like that? Or do I need to type install in front of it? Right. Okay. Failed. This tool could not find any available packages. And off you go figuring out how to get it in Ubuntu, basically, in Neon. but we can remove things. Let's see. Remove our screen fetch. This tool could not find the installed package. No packages were found. Screen fetch, sorry. NeoFetch. It's another application you can install. Yes, please. I need to type my password. Fine. I forgot the sudo, I suppose. Yep, forgot the sudo. Cool. Done. Removing, waiting, loading, running, removing, finished. That works. We're gonna repo list. I suppose we're gonna need to add repos so we can have, for example, Spotify. So this is installed. I suppose there's an app for that. No, no app. Discover. Can Discover help us? Spotify. Snap. Nah, no Snap. But yeah, why not, right? As an end user, you do whatever you want. So what is this? Spotify client for the GNOME desktop. Music Radar. There is so much I haven't installed yet, right? So much out there. iHeartRadio. Jesus. So sure. Let's see him. Task 3. Okay. Let's see if that works. And then you ask some how to, I don't know, how to install packages on Neon. Installing and packages in R from the National Ecological Observatory Network. Not gonna work. KDE Neon, maybe this one. Apps and so see, scan the page. Scan the page and use the AIs, guys. Ask the question there. How to install packages, Ubuntu. Not that much hit-wise. How to install packages, how to maintain Neon. Sign on. Lots of things. Let Neon things. Neon CLI. Neon Science. I don't know where to find the information, but hopefully it's on the internet. Launch. Log in. Probably gonna work, right? If this works, I'm not gonna log in into the virtual machine. But yeah, it's still very much up to you. And I'm the guy that says, can we get chat WM on this thing? That's maybe something, a bridge too far. Neon and then chat WM. Let's see the combo of these two words. Yep, that's the GitHub. So as you know, I'm always on this thing. This thing is called chat WM. And this is the XD. This is all on my system, but I'm always on chat WM. So can we get that on Neon? I don't know. Maybe he can help us here. Control find, we're basically on Ubuntu. No. Neon. No. So I guess it's gonna be, we're gonna need to build it. I'm wondering, do we even have the packages, the dependencies? Right. And it's up to you to decide if you keep using Neon. But now we have a system that's pretty much similar than the one in the video, 4093. Plasma, rising plasma with the OTTO theme, right? It's up to you to decide whether you continue with Neon. But it's Linux, it's Plasma. All right, cheers.